Hi, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and we are awaiting budget, right? The main thing that we are waiting for tomorrow. Okay, so let's see before budget, what are we seeing on the charts and what we can see the markets can do. Okay, so that is what we are going to hear for. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, people are still joining. I'll give at least 1 or 2 minutes for them to join. So let's see what we did last week or what we had analyzed last week till people are joining. Okay, so we had Nifty as diamond index so far, but now it is broken down and it has come down. And the places where we see that taking support was 14,100 was a little difficult to break. It took that support. It came till almost 13,800. It was not breaking this very well. Okay, so we knew that this is also acting as a very, very good support right now, and finally we saw it coming till this as well. Okay, so somewhere near 13600 is where we saw the markets coming down as well. So this is the last support which we saw markets taking as well, right? So this is still this place or this level we have seen markets. Let's see that on charts as well. So if I go to Nifty, okay, you can see the low is 13666, right? So this is the lowest which we have seen, and that is where is the final support that is rising right now. Okay, so we can now have to change the support levels now. This supports, okay, which were acting as a good support can act as resistance. Okay, so that is one level of change that we will have to do, and if they cross again, then only you might see some movement in the up direction, right? Hello Manohar. Okay, so let's see that now. Okay, so where Nifty will come or what Nifty will do, we'll see in some time. Then Bank Nifty had a 5 hour PRD setup which failed, and that resulted in, so it did confirm. Okay, so there was just a setup which never confirmed, and then it came down. It went below all these levels also. Okay, so 30,000 was broken, and now if you see 30,000 has been recaptured. So on weekly basis, we are still about 30,000. Okay, we broke it on this day. We came to 29,660. Okay, we bounced back from that because 29,500 is also a good support. So before that, we now have a doji type of a pattern before the key event, and that also is at 40 support. Okay, so Bank Nifty outperformed Nifty on Friday. We all saw that. Okay, Nifty was just going down, 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 and Bank Nifty was going up, up, up. Okay, so we'll have to see what Bank Nifty has for us, okay, and what Nifty has for us. So this is still been not broken, and we can say 3300 is also not been broken because on closing basis we are above that. Okay, so we still have two levels of support still open for Bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Auto, and Nifty Pharma also some selling pressure, and everything we'll see on charts what went wrong. And we had Nifty Pharma as a good sector because it was at daily 40 and weekly and monthly above 60. But somewhere this also came under pressure, and we saw that it has been breaking those levels. Okay, so now we'll have to see what we can expect from the various sectors as well, because overall selling has come in market and Nifty was under pressure, so will be all of the sectors as well. But still I think auto sector has done good. Apart of Maruti, everything else was still in a good shape. So we'll have to see auto sector whether it is still monthly above 60 or it has gone below 60. Okay, So that is where all the indices are, and key stocks. I think MRF did exceptional. We had a sell call on uh, MRF, and it achieved not only the target, it went below that. Okay, so it went quite low. Okay, we had one buy call on Dr. Reddy, which we did some short trading on Monday, and we made almost, I think, 40 to 50 rupees, and we came out. Okay, but apart of that, none of the other calls worked because Infy and Asian Paint didn't work at all because they didn't give you any buy triggers at all, right? So this two didn't work, but we still had two calls. One was short, which worked well, and Dr. Reddy buy on Monday itself it triggered and it gave you some money. So we had a TSL and we came out, right? So this is the story so far. Now let's start this week. It's going to be uh, a entirely the different way of analysis this weekend because it's not only the start of a new month. So we have an entirely month end with us, we have a weekend with us, and we have a big event which is budget coming up tomorrow. So now with that in mind, let's see what the markets are placed with. Okay, so now let's start with Nifty. Okay, so now let's start with Nifty. I am still in this. Okay, so Nifty had a doji day before at 40 support, and then we had a bearish engulfing at the same level. Okay, now the doji's volume and the day before volume, they both also show me some significance on more selling on this day. Now we need to understand few things. Can this be the exhaustion volume? Okay, because see, when the markets were falling, we had some volume, then the volume went low, then low, okay, and then there is a reversal candle, and then more volume. Okay, so either, okay, if I have to draw a line, okay, this is one trend line, so you can expect Nifty to come down till this level. Okay, so you can either expect Nifty to come till 12,750, that is one level of support. The other level can be here. Okay, so we might see the low that it touches tomorrow on the budget day, maybe around 13,500 or maybe 13,400 in some time, and then it might bounce back. So we have two level of support here, and 13,200 is the another support. Okay, the horizontal support, if you have to see, this is another support which is 13,200. Okay, so these are the two levels, 13,500 and 13,200, where you might see Nifty taking some support. Okay, so we'll add those levels as well. Okay, and now let's see weekly what it has for us. So we have got the levels here, so I'll remove those lines now. Let's see weekly without those lines. Okay, weekly has had a shooting star type of a doji. It's not a shooting star actually. You can it's a doji only. But since it is going on the lower side, okay,
खाली पोपट मैं वापस आ जाऊंगा तुम्हारे ऊपर मैंने तुमको कुछ बोला क्या
okay, so then now you can see this. Okay, we have also closed the gap. Okay, so this gap has been also closed. So now either way on the Bank Nifty or on the Nifty, 13,166 is also showing as some support here on weekly charts, and weekly is also approaching 60. Okay, so we might have uh, some fall till weekly 60. Okay, so that can be around again 13,200 levels. Okay, so that can be also 13,200 levels out here. Okay, so you might have to see some more fall in Nifty, and if this sustains and this bounces back, okay, then we might see again a reversal from here. But the only thing that we need to know is we are right now in somewhere. some down movement, and this down movement can be a retracement also. Okay, also if you look at the trend line here, okay, it shows 13200 again. Okay, second thing, let's see, as I talked about retracement, let me show you where exactly we have retraced to. Okay, because there was a good movement in the market, and now if you look at from this point of view, the entire swing, okay, we might come down till 13500, which is 38% of retracement and bounce back. Then we are still in a very good healthy market, and you might see a new high soon. Okay, because this is a healthy retracement which the markets are doing. And never worry about a big black candle, because the fall is always rapid and quick. Okay, so the falls are always in that way, so you can not say that it is just falling, falling, falling since last 4 days, and whatever we did in so many weeks, only 1 week did the thing. But that is how it is. Okay, so falls are always rapid. Never believe in that. So again, see, in this case, for tomorrow, the level 13500 really makes sense. If it has been hold, we can see the reversal in the market, immediately after that. Okay, so this is going to be a critical level for us, 13500. And now let's see what monthly Nifty has done. Okay, so now if I remove, okay, and I remove this also because I want you to see the volume. Yes, we do have a shooting star, okay, but look at where that shooting star is. It's above 60. It is coming towards first 60 support, okay, after a long, long time. Okay, after breaking this in a year's time, I am above 60, and if I come and take the first monthly 60 support, I am going to be in a very good position. Okay, so this again looks really, really good. I am not of the favor that the downtrend has started until and unless Nifty breaks monthly 60 on monthly closing basis. So we need to see what Nifty does here, because this is going to be critical. At the same time, weekly is about 60. This is a sharp fall which was expected because the market has rushed up and it has gone into maturity. And I think 2 weeks back I was talking about some retracement in Nifty because of the RSI levels only. So now we have seen that retracement. Okay, so now we might see, you can, it's not, you see, falls are always like this. So there can be somewhere some still fall, but if something is there in the budget for the market, the market is going to cherish it. Okay, so you might see an intraday low of some time, and if it closes, so if tomorrow close of market is about 13500, that means it's going to be good sign for the market, and we have recovered from 38% of retracement, which is a very, very healthy sign. And if that happens, then you might see a new high coming soon, because then this will be crossed. And now, see, 14,750 was one of my target, which was achieved, and now there's 15,000. And 15,000 now you can see even on the charts, right? So now 15,000 can also be there. So there is nothing wrong in that, and we might see some reversal. What if the government gives, and see, normally every two budgets in 10 years are friendly to the market, and in this last 8 years of the tenure of BJP government, we have only seen 2017 giving a good budget. After that there is no good budget. So there is most probably that we might get, this is their second last year, and this can be a good budget, because they will not give a good budget towards the end of their tenure. Okay, so they have to think about it, and they should give, something, because of pandemic and all those things, so they've got many good things to give. I know पैसा कहाँ से आएगा तो उनको ही मालूम, बट बजट में बोलने से कुछ गलत नहीं होने वाला. So let's see, and India has recovered very well in terms of pandemic. If you compare with the entire world, we are the first emerging leaders in everything. Okay, with very very less cases of corona and all those things. So India's story is different, but still we should be cautious because we have a shooting star here. Okay, we have another two dojis side by side and then a good fall. Okay, so I'm not saying be bullish, but be open to the market because 13,500, if it has been restricted and if we are above that, we might see some recovery soon. Okay, that is what I'm saying, and markets will be like that only. Okay, so don't worry on that side. We should be more vigilant to the charts and see what they are speaking and then act. See, for tomorrow we have got zero positions. Okay, because if you look at top bottom also, everything is been nullified. We don't have any open positions, and yeah, it is a negative zone, can be a negative zone till 12,700. Okay, because 12,700, 13,200 is one level and 12,700 is another level. Okay, so there can be a negative zone till that level because then we'll have to wait for monthly taking 60 support. Okay, so for that level, you will see those levels approaching. Okay, so then let's write down on this. So right now, resistance would be one resistance will be 13,800 because that has been broken. Okay, then it will be 14,100 first, and then would be 14,500. Okay, so these are now the resistance level for it. Now let's see support. So support, yes, 13,600 is still as a support. Okay, or I will just dilute it to 13,500 so that we can add more. Okay, then 13,200 and then 12,750. Okay, so these are the levels of support for Nifty, and let's now change this. Okay, so this is at 60 support and about 60. Okay, critical retracement levels. Okay, so this is what we see in Nifty. Now let's see Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has got more better if you look at it. Weekly took 60 support on Friday, and see this is the support place as well. If I have a line out here, okay, if I just draw a line on this support line here from where it has bounced, okay, see this is one level of support. This doji is here, this is here, so this is here, this is here, this is here. So this has got a very good support at 29,600. Okay, and yes, there is a weekly PRD. It was there, yeah, last week. Now also there is a weekly PRD, right? Right, Rajesh. So you are, on that, and the weekly PRD target is more than this, right? So we might see that. So we do have a PRD here. Okay, so A very well good PRD has been here set for us, and we are still about 60 64. So that is one thing. Let me now remove the lines and go to the lower time frame. Okay, so this looks good to me. This is at 40 support and a good bullish counter attack, and then a doji here. Okay, doji has got a more volume, so if the high is crossed, see, it is very simple. Doji, if the high is crossed, you go long onto that, and you might see, a reversal till here. Okay, somewhere, I was waiting for a big candle here. अगर ये बड़ा candle होता था ना, सीधा मैं blindly बोल देता था ये target है, because it's an island reversal if you look at. Okay, it's a positive island reversal. uh, I will show you how to trade PRD, but wait for it. Okay, island reversal से simple है. Even PRD का target इसके ऊपर ही होने वाला है. So you enter about 31,200 anyways. Okay, so this is how you can trade PRD. Okay, so even PRD can be traded above the high of Friday, and this is an island reversal. अगर ये candle proper होता था, okay, तो ये island बन जाता था और ये इधर मस्त land बनता था. इसका blind target ये आ जाता था. We would have touched 33,000 again if it was a big candle. Okay, so it also looks good on that front. Okay, so एक मिनट, ये क्या आ गया? ओपन इंटरेस्ट, पापा ये कहाँ से आ गया तुम भाई? हम नहीं देखते तुम चले जाओ. Okay, so this is where it is, and you might see this, crossing the high tomorrow. So tomorrow, please avoid it. Okay, tomorrow the movements can be very wild. If this crosses only after 1:30, okay, then only please trade in the direction. Otherwise, it's going to be, a roller coaster ride. The markets will move 600, 700 points in one direction, and then might reverse also in no time. Okay, the movement will be rapid. It is fun to watch, so be in front of the market, but tie your hands. Okay, please do not trade during the budget time. Okay, otherwise you are going to burn your hands. Okay, because you are not going to hedge your positions. If you are going to trade with proper hedging, okay, you are allowed to trade. Okay, or you are going to put some type of stop losses, do trade. Otherwise, remain silent and watch the drama. Okay, कभी कभी spectator बनने में भी मजा आता है. Okay, so be a spectator tomorrow rather than a participant, because participants will be, playing in a bloodshed. It's good you should be awake, because market उस दिन चार्ज भी का चलने वाला नहीं है. कल का दिन सुबह 11:30 to 1:30 you won't see, much charge doing any help. Okay, they will be dancing a lot. So rather than, catching someone dancing, it is better that when they stabilize you catch them, and that will be, after 1:30. Even options, the premium will go away in no time once the event is done. So even if you are playing with options, be very careful, because it will be good for the writers. इसके लिए मैंने डाला भी था कि सज्जाद है, जलपेश है, even Ajay Bhai and all, who are the writers in the market now, they will be okay to trade the writings, because the premiums are too high, and as soon as the event will go, it will just go away. Okay, the premiums will erode in no time. So that is where, you should be cautious, because if you are a buyer of the options, you will be hurted a lot, and you will see that you are just going into losses even though the market is in your favor. Because even if the budget is good and you are in a call position, the premiums will be eroded, because there is a premium added because of the event, and that event once is unfold, that premium has to vanish. Okay, so be very careful with it. So again, weekly is good with PRD setup. So weekly PRD setup, you normally enter into it with a trend line breakout, and that trend line breakout has to be seen on the lower time frame, because this is weekly. So even if you look at here, it's going to be above the 31,200 or 31,100 only. That is where your entry would be. Okay, so this looks good. So Bank Nifty has got more. So we were looking the other way, that where Nifty was stronger and Bank Nifty was not. But now the charts are showing something different. Bank Nifty is stronger and Nifty is not. Okay, and if you look at this, is also at gap support. See, this gap was filled, and now this is acting as support as well. Let's see what it does now tomorrow. And again, this has also got a doji type of a spinning top type of pattern at 60 resistance. Okay, so these are going to be the levels which you'll have to see. So fall below 29,700 might take Bank Nifty back to around 26, 27,000. Okay, so on monthly, this can be still possible. Let's see from the retracement side what we are looking at. Okay, so retracement is always from the last this thing is exactly at 25%. Okay, so this is most healthiest one. So if this breaks, we have 28,600 approaching, and below that maybe 27,000. Okay, so this is where the retracement shows, and if we cross this, we might go now about 33,000 also, because this is the healthiest retracement a script can have. Okay, 25%. So bounce back from that, and in that case, if this happens, then the retracement levels are in front. अरे 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 ये क्या है क्यों है निकालो इसको यहाँ से okay. So then the extension levels normally, this is where you might see 36 100. Okay, so this all levels are possible if we start upside movement and we cross about 33,000. Okay, so that is where is the right now the main hurdle. If this is crossed in the market, you will see this coming. Okay, which is quite possible. I am not saying no to this also, but right now we are below 60. We have stopped here, so this is where you might have to be checking what now Bank Nifty does, because it's at an all-time high resistance with a shooting star. So this, yes, is critical. Okay, now this level is critical to be crossed. Only if crossed, you might see it coming till see. Even 36,000 is seen on the Bollinger Band upper band as well. Okay, so this is also here, or we might have some fall till this levels and then this levels. Okay, so this can be, or maybe this might act as a support. So we'll have to see in the falling market where it takes support now. Okay, so again, let's write down here 5 bar, now 6 bar PRT setup is there on weekly. In the 5 bar here, if I'm not wrong. Weekly, daily, as a doji at 40. Monthly, इधर और ही लुकना चालू कर देता है, ये भी ना टाइम पर है. Shooting star around all-time high and resistance at 60. Okay, so now we'll have to see again weekly 5 bar, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 bar. Okay, so weekly 6 bar PRD setup. Okay, so if it confirms weekly on weekly confirms closing above 31 200. Okay, so if it closes tomorrow above 31 200, then the weekly PRD might confirm. Okay, so that is the sign daily as a doji. So doji high is also crossed, and then we might see that effect of island reversal again. Okay, so it's not an island reversal because we have a doji. Okay, so it's not, but there is a gap down and a gap up both. So it is somewhere with the conceptual of an island reversal, but not the pattern. Okay, now let's write this. Okay, these are not going to be the resistances. We'll have more resistances now in place. So 31 700 will act as one resistance. 32 300. So We have 31,700, 32,300, and beyond that will be 32,650, which is acting as a resistance so far. Okay, and support will have to break it down because this has been done. So okay, I can add 3950 also here actually. So then we can remove this from now. Okay. So here there is also some gap which is active, but I'm not going to consider that right now. So we will have 3300 is okay. And the last refuge was 29,650. Okay, so these are going to be the levels now to be watched out. Okay, so yes, this is what we have now. All the diamonds and golden have gone away. Okay, so now let's start with the indices. Nifty IT again shows, see that it also has a fall and it shows a proper, if you merge this two candle, it's an evening star at upper band resistance. Okay, it's an evening star at upper band resistance and there can be some further fall at IT. Okay, let's see that as well. And if I again go to retracement, let's see where the retracements have stopped. Okay, so it's almost, it has also come almost around 38%. Okay, so that is also there. See, every indices which were golden, all time frame above 60 are now, see again at lower band and 40 support, weekly above 60, and monthly is still a shooting star. It's a shooting star. See, again IT has got a shooting star, but see where it is above the band walk and still above 80. It is around 80. So now see this is IT to we were expecting to come down because if you look at this, the monthly RSI had gone to 87. Okay, this was around say 88 and daily was also too high. See, it was also 80. So we were expecting some fall in IT. I think now there can be some reversal points in this also because as per strategy 2A, 40 60 60, okay, is still here existing and this is still above the band walk. So band walk is still continuing on IT. Okay, and this is resisting. So we might see, see there is a gap support here. So we might see some bounce back in IT stocks maybe tomorrow or maybe in this coming week. So where we close this first week of February, that is going to give us a clear direction about what the market will do in the coming month, maybe 1 or 2 months. So till Feb end and March end, what will we see will be visible, okay, only after the close of this particular week. So again, Nifty ID, no more golden sector. Okay. So daily shows rainbow movement around 60 support. Now it is 40 support and no more a range bound movement. Daily shows. So this was it, around 88 tha. So now it has broken down. Okay, so it is coming to 68, which is healthy. Okay, shows from 88. Let me mention your RSI so that a new person who is looking into the video should be able to understand. what we have mentioned here. So RSI coming to 68 from 88, and monthly band walk, okay, but with shooting star. Okay, so expecting some retracement for a healthy growth. Now we have seen some retracement already. So this was already mentioned last week, and now it has already retraced. Okay, so let's see what it does in this week. Okay, so that is going to be critical for this particular indices also. And yes, there is some PRD setup here also. There is multiple bars. So I'm not going to consider this PRD at all. Okay, this is going to be more than 10 bars. This cannot be considered. Okay, let's go to the other indices. So infra, let's see infra में भी क्या हुआ है. See, everyone has got the same setup. Okay, same as Nifty and Bank Nifty and all the indices. Okay, so see this also has got a reversal here, and now see a bullish, a bearish engulfing. Now this engulfing can be the last engulfing. Okay, see, whoever has done candlestick patterns with us, you should be aware, right, that we have said that there are two type of engulfing, one which brings an end to the trend, and the other one which tells you that there is going to be now reversal of the trend. Okay, so if this particular thing is going to if this particular engulfing now makes the market to go up, this is going to be considered as a last engulfing, okay, which is exhaustion of the trend, which is a current trend, which is the downtrend right now, okay, and you can see a new uptrend getting started. Okay, so that is another concept where we say that this particular candle, though it is looking bearish, okay, can be an onset of a new uptrend. Okay, it's called as last engulfing, and let's understand if this happens, we might see the market going up again till this level. See, all of this indices made a new all-time high, and now see daily is at 40, weekly is around 60. Okay, so still it looks good, and monthly is also at 60 or around 60. And see that again a shooting star. It made a new high in January, and now a shooting star. Okay, so we need to wait and see what it does here, because this is little critical. I am, and this particular sector is also above 60 after a long time, but the history says it has never remained above 60 for more time. Okay, it has just stayed above 60 1 or 2 months, and then it comes down again. See this. So this time, if I have to still stay above 60, I have to go sideways or then start rising again. Okay, so that is where we'll have to see. Again, the resistance will be around 3700 or maybe 3800. Is voice not clear for everyone? If it is only for Subhash, I think you need to see your internet connection. Can anyone confirm if the voice is clear? Voice is clear. Okay. Thank you very much. So Subhash, I think you need to check your internet connection, and if you are not able to hear right now, you can watch it been uploaded onto the YouTube channel as well. Okay, so you can also have it on. Yeah, so I think Subhash, it is because of your internet connection, and this video will be uploaded onto the YouTube channel as well, Sway Charts. Okay, so infra we have seen. Now let's go down. FMCG. So FMCG has got a very short shooting star on monthly. Okay, and it is also at support. Yeah, on YouTube. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my channel, Sway Charts channel. If you subscribe to this, we will be uploading it once this has been done. So by 1:30 the video would be available on the channel. So if you subscribe to this, once I upload, you will be able to see it. Got it? Okay, so this looks still better to me. This is also at 60 support. See, every indices, though as a black candle, it is still at 60 support on weekly. So we need to see what it does here. And see, this is again what FMCG has done. Okay, so this has been broken down as well, and it has come down almost for here to take support. So this is also looking okay for another support here. Okay, so let's see what it does. So we might see 32 600 touching on FMCG and then a bounce, and this is critical. Okay, it has got some gap, so this needs to be crossed as well. Okay, so all of those things will be depending on what the government tells tomorrow. But currently we are around support and it is okay. And this again becomes a resistance level. So you need to cross the all-time high as it's a shooting star again on all-time high. So that's the same story for all the indices. Okay, and FMCG normally stays above 60. If you look at it, see it remains above 60. So it is now above 60 after a long time here. So should it take 60 support and bounce back or fall down? We'll see. Okay, so this again is a critical spot in this indices. Okay, so let's write down for FMCG daily below 60 नहीं अभी तो daily below 40 भी हो गया है. Okay, so daily is below 40. Okay, weekly has a flag setup वो complete भी हो गया था. Breakout about this, so we'll remove this lines now. So we'll just say weekly at 60 support. Okay, monthly shooting star about 60. Okay, so there is some bearishness, but it is above 60. So we need confirmation. We need it to break 60. See, as long as the monthly 60s are not broken, okay, please do not think that we are now in a downtrend. Okay, so that is one thing which everyone should understand. And if you are trading short trades, yes, it is still monthly 60. And if it takes support on monthly 60, quit that short. Okay, so that is where we should be seeing the markets. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's see. Pharma has been also doing something. See, this was where it did a similar type of candle. Okay, in October, and then November, December, it just rushed. Now again, it has got a similar candle. See, the candle is almost same. See these two candles. Okay, now, what will it do? They only know because it almost touched the all-time high, and that is where see it resisted. Okay, so this particular chotu wala candle ka high. See this. This is what resisted it, and it brought it down. But we are still above 60. We are still looking good. Okay, so we don't know what to do. So wait for a reversal signal. Okay, probably see here it is a spinning top again, and if the high is crossed, we might see it coming up again till here. So again, we need to see if anything is given on R&D sector of pharma. Pharma will start rushing tomorrow. Okay, so we don't know what the government is up to. It is right now at support. See, look at this support line. Okay, so it closed above the support. So this is still looking good about the support, and that's why I'm still saying that we still have hopes in the market as far as we monthly is above 60. Yeah, वापस. See again, this can be the last engulfing. Okay, this can be the last engulfing. So we need to wait, and it has taken support as well. Okay, so either it might go down, and if someone knows that there is nothing coming on R&D part of the pharma, so they have already taken short position, or this can be the last way to fool the people that nothing is coming and they have actually gone long. Okay, so we need to wait for this week. Okay, again for this all the sectors to see what they are doing. And if you look at few things, Okay, this is still at support. So you still have some support left in the pharma sector on the daily side. Okay, so if this is broken, you break a very good healthy trend line, and then we will have to see what to do. Okay, so this is where we see it still holding up. Okay, so let's see what it does. So pharma, let's write down daily at 40, and this is now no more at 40. So daily below 40 at TL support. Okay, CIP नहीं है अभी. Okay, weekly around 60, I will say, not at 60. Okay, monthly is above 60. That is true. Okay, so now we need to see what it does. Okay, it has a similar candle of October. After that, 2 months were beautiful for this particular sector. CIP is change in polarity. Okay, so if say a support change to resistance or resistance change to support, that particular phenomena is called as CIP. Okay, now let's see my favorite sector, auto. Okay, it had crossed monthly 60 now. Has it survived there or it brought it down? Okay, so what is it on weekly? Again, see, it has got a bearish engulfing. If you look at candle to candle, it is a bearish engulfing. But if you look at the wicks, it is not. And normally, candlestick patterns are body to body. Okay, so it is a bearish engulfing here. Now let's see daily, 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 daily. Daily also has got a bearish engulfing and it is breaking of 60 to yesterday. Okay, or sorry, on Friday. So it has broken down. So this is the next immediate support 9400. Or okay, so that is one level, and 9600 is the other level. पूरी पापा ये भाई साहब तो 61 पे आ गया, but still a band walk. Okay, so now we need to see what it does. It is above 60 after a very very long time. Okay, it has crossed 60 after almost 3 years. Okay, and it seems to be good, but now we need to be worried because see it's a neutral candle है, इसको shooting star मत बोलो. ओके, यू हैव शूटिंग स्टार के लिए जितना वेग है ना उतना डबल होना चाहिए. ये डबल नहीं है. ये देखो, ये अगर आप देखोगे तो ये इधर तक तो सिंगल हो गया और ये इतना ही है. तो यू नीड द बॉडी का डबल ऑन द विग. सो इट्स अ न्यूट्रल कैंडल, इट्स नॉट अ शूटिंग स्टार. So now we need to see auto sector what happens. Okay, so auto sector, if it now crosses above this and it is still on the band walk, if it continues band walk, we might see some movement. See, this is where it has been trapped also, because this was where the resistance was. Above this, it would have touched the all-time high. Okay, so now Maruti is the main culprit in this. So we now have to see the stocks as well. Okay, so still this is looking good on the time frames. Okay, so let's write down no more a golden sector. सब गोल्डन डायमंड को भगा दिया एक ही हफ्ते में. ओके, ये बनने के लिए पूरा साल डाला बच्चे लोग ने और ये सब बर्बाद कर दिया. ओके, so bearish divergence stuff which has worked actually, an M setup was there on auto sector if you look at, and that is where see there was a bearish divergence. Okay, and that is what, see, this was the M setup. Okay, and the first target of M has been met. Okay, so if you look at it, it has been met. And now the second target of M, wait a minute, somewhere I have not drawn it properly. The second target of M is also almost done. Okay, so this is that second target. Okay, so M का second target भी आपको almost आ गया है. See, this is where. ओके, सो वी माइट कम टिल दैट 9600 जो मैंने बताया. ओके, वहाँ पे आके ये सपोर्ट ले सकता है. दैट इज वेयर इज द एम एंड इट कैन बी अ रनिंग कैंडल टेकिंग 40 सपोर्ट ऑन डेली. ओके, so let's see what it does now tomorrow and in the coming week. So M first target done, and now the second target is still 96. After both the targets are done, we'll have to see what it does. Okay, so it's a very powerful pattern. It had a bearish divergence and it has worked. And mainly Maruti did it because Maruti also had a similar pattern. Okay, so bearish engulfing and target one off and done. Okay, weekly and monthly looks bullish with Bangkok Abhinay. Okay, weekly also has a bearish engulfing above 60 though. Okay, so this is the trick. Okay, so it still looks bearish looking at the candlesticks, but RSI says I'm still above 60. Okay, and monthly looks neutral, now not bullish but neutral because it's a neutral candle, neutral of just above 60. Okay, because it's 61. If it was 63, I would be, saying it is quite good, and you might see still it crossing higher highs. Okay, but now this is just around 61, so that is not considered to be a good sign. So we'll have to see even on Nifty Auto as well. So all the sectors show some sign of retracement. Okay, see, I don't see it is a downtrend. Please do not misunderstand retracement as downtrend. We need to confirm. See, everything is still at 60, okay, or above 60. So unless monthly 60 breaks, please do not go a very good positional short. You can do swing shots. Okay. Now let's see the stocks. Let's see with my favorite, all-time favorite, Reliance. I'm not looking much into Reliance nowadays only because of Mukesh Bhai's health. ओके, अगर उसका हेल्थ को प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहता था ना तो ये अब तक 2600 रहता था. Everyone knows his health is a concern. See, this does not give me anything to trade. Okay, even monthly is break 60 has been broken on monthly now on Reliance. Okay, so this stock has got something in it to avoid. Okay, it's better if you have it in portfolio also empty. I have done that at 2000 itself. Okay, I had in portfolio, I removed everything of Reliance because this is something which is concerning, and also, mainly the thing is the news about health of Mukesh Ambani. Yeah, it can be. For me, I don't mind. See, if there is a deterioration in his health, this might show you three digit also. A 600, 800, 900 भी मार देगा एक बार. Okay, on that panic, he's no more. Okay, so it's better not to, if you are looking to short it, it's okay. Okay, but again, market can surprise. So have a good stop loss. Okay, do not do it without a stop loss. Okay, so that is one thing. Now let's go to the other sectors. Okay, Asian Paint I want to see because it has gone down a lot. Okay, from its all-time high. So if you now look at Asian Paint also, okay, see it also had got somewhere some movement here, but now see it has broken down completely. Okay, no bullish divergence, nothing here, and still it looks, at support, but I would still not trade this on the upside yet unless it crosses 40 on daily. Okay, and see from where it has fallen almost 2900, right? So it has come down quite a bit. Weekly, if you see, it has broken 60 and see a very good black candle. So this black candle followed by a recovery and then the fall, right? Yeah, do not invest in RIL for now. We will see that, Om Prakash. Okay, so there are few stocks you can invest in, but I would still wait for tomorrow. Okay, I will not give direction. There are few stocks like Take Solutions. If it crosses 65, you buy them. Okay, Take Solution is one, and another one is Snowcam Logistics. Above 71, you can buy. Okay, so that's these are the calls already been given to our students. Okay, so you can also have the same. Okay, so let me write down here Snowman Logistics. Buy above 70, take solutions. Same, buy above 65. Okay, so these are the two things which you can think of. Okay, so again, this also does not look much appealing to me. And see, this is the first time you see a bigger black candle, such black candle in this particular stock. Okay, so Asian Paints might see some more correction because it has also broken the upper band. It's within the band, and if it comes down till 60 support, 68 to 60 support, aane maybe it might come down to maybe 2100 or something. So there is going to be some pressure on Nifty because Asian Paint has got good amount of it in Nifty as well. Okay, so this is one stock. See, it had got a doji here, and from there we had a buy call. It gave almost a target of 27.25 was the target. We had said, and it has achieved that, but then see, it has a rapid fall. Okay, so this is where it is, and it resisted 60C. It exactly resisted 60 with a. See, this is the exhaustion volume. If you look at this is what I call it as exhaustion volume. And then see that everyone is got out of it. Okay, so this was the place where maybe FIIs they washed their hands in this particular stock. Okay, this is that volume candle, and see it is a negative doji, and then see the low breaking of the lows, and then see it just came down. So Asian Paint right now is done away unless you still see any volume now in the coming days. Should not go long in this stock. Okay, it has got a very good exhaustion volume, and it might then come down to this levels, this or maybe even this, where it has consolidated. Okay, the profit booking has been done already in Asian Paints so far. Now let's go to Maruti. Maruti, what is that done? So Maruti is at support right now. See, this is at price support. Okay, if I just draw a line from here, see it's at support, resistance, breakout, first support, first CIP, second support. So let's see whether it takes support or not. Again, let's see that a perfect M setup. Okay, see it had got it M setup, but there was no bearish divergence here. Okay, and now see this. So there was a Bollinger Band M, but not RSI. And look at this, it has already done the target also. Okay, so normally upper band bearish divergence on RSI, the targets are lower band, which has been met. Okay, so we have already seen this happened in Maruti. So now it is again at support. So let's see whether it bounces from here or it further falls down. Then the further falling can take it to 6800 now. Okay, so this is where Maruti can go. So mainly we will not have much buy calls or more sell calls right now. We are going to wait for this week to settle to see how it shapes in, and probably we will have trades coming from Tuesday onwards. Tomorrow there are no trades. Okay, see again this is the thing. See, there was a bearish divergence if you look at here also. Okay, and from there see it has also met the first target. The first target is met even on the weekly. Now if you want to see the second target, it is 6400. Okay, so then yes, Nifty will retest 12700 maybe, or maybe even 12500. That is where Nifty will come for the first CIP on its previous all-time high. It's nothing but it's the average. It comes default in this particular. It is a moving average on volume. Okay, so it's nothing new. I have not drawn it. This particular software gives me that. Okay, so this looks so far intact. If bounces, can be a buy. Okay, and this is critical. Below 6,000, I don't know, but let's see because see, the results are good. So I'm not looking into more fall onto it, but yes, maybe around 6,400 it might come and take support. And right now it is broken, it is resisted 60 on monthly, so there can be some retracement now, and you can expect it. Okay, so this now can be till here or till here. Okay, so below 6,000 is little bit not possible because we have already bounced back from those levels. This is going to be a good support 6,300, 6,400. Maybe, let's see. So this does not give us much thing. Let's go to the other stocks on auto sector now. So Bajaj Auto, which made a new all-time high, and look at it, right? This is still looking strong to me. Okay, so this is still looking good. So that's why it is okay. But now see, this also has got an RSI of 83 on this, and it has got a doji over here. So this can be a short below the doji low. Okay, so this can be one short trade, a low bit, short below doji, and you can expect at least this as the target, or maybe half of this candle as the target. Okay, because this is critical candle because it's with a good volume. So if it is a genuine breakout, even the half of this candle will be defended. So this will not go below 38.50. Okay, and if you look at here, it also has got a bearish engulfing. Okay, but this is still be above the half of this candle on which it has gone above. And look at the volume here, and look at this volume, it is minimal. Okay, it's not even the volume of this candles. So now this black candle, how much to trust, you should now think, right? Because if it is a bearish engulfing, it should have more volume than all these candles, but it does not have more volume than this doji as well, right? So there can be somewhere some fight back about this. Okay, so this is still neutral. Okay, and we'll see if there is any buy call on this or a sell call after Tuesday. Let's see Hero Moto. Okay, so Hero Moto is looking little bit upset. It didn't took 60 support much, and it fall down from there. Okay, it has also fallen below 60 on this. So this is struggling, and there is a shooting star at 60 resistance. So there can be still a short call on Hero Moto. See, we are talking about the same sector, Nifty Auto. Now we are saying in auto also we are talking two stocks of the same segment, two wheelers mainly, right? So Hero Moto is looking to me bearish, whereas Bajaj Auto is looking more bullish. Okay, so there can be a disparity in the same segment, and we might see one growing and one falling down. Okay, and I will be not surprised if this crosses 3,500. It's going to be a momentum trading on the upside because then it will start triggering the stop losses of all the short people, and that is going to double pull the thing above this levels. Okay, so this can be also, two-sided stock, two-sided trade, but I will still be neutral. I'll wait for which side it breaks. And RSI is not giving me much strength to go long as well. Okay, monthly RSI is below 60 and it's been kept below 60, and all the RSIs are now below 60. Okay, so this looks more as a short rather than a buy. So this can be one of a short trade, but I will still hold for tomorrow. I am not going to give anything right now. Okay, let's see TVS Motors, which did exceptionally well on Friday. See, it also made a shooting star finally. Okay, so it made a high of 590, which is 10% above the previous close. Okay, and finally it made a shooting star. And look at the volume on shooting star. Okay, so this also does not help you with it, but it's a huge gap. Okay, and this gap is going to act as a support, and this looks good. See, it's neutral candle, and above this. Okay, so it resisted somewhere here or here exactly. Okay, and above 590 it should be a buy. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj will come when will we see Bajaj, will we go to the finance sector. So hold on till then. Okay, and here also it's just above 60. Okay, so TVS Motors again, though it was a good stock on Friday morning, it has not closed good. Okay, so we'll still have to wait for this sector also. But look at this, it's crossing 60 after a many years. Okay, so if it now continues to go above 590, it can be a buy even in equity. You can buy this and hold it for a good upside. Okay, so this is looking good for a upside of 690 and then maybe 790. Okay, so above 690 should be a buy on equity. I would not prefer this to be bought on futures. Okay, anyone who is willing to take the risk can do it because the stop loss is going to be around 540. Okay, so this looks okay. So this is okay. Let's see MRF, which was, one of our finding. We also ride this entire upside. Then we had the downside also last week, and we did some downside trade. Okay, and now let's see where it has come to. Oh, bearish engulfing. But look at the volume. Okay, this has a good volume, and this does not have that good volume. So again, it might come to CIPC. This is the breakout of the cup, 8100, 8200, where we went long for the first time. Right? If you remember, we went long from 8200 to 8500. 85,000 was our target. Then we again went long with some more target of 95,000, 96,000, right? And then from there we went short as well. So see, this is still a breakout of the cup, still above 60, and this still looks good for a good upside, but we'll have to now wait for the budget to tell us what it is going to do. Okay, so still there is a good breakout, and we had this good trading on the breakout. Okay, so now things are looking little bit of cautious. Okay, so you need to be watchful. Apollo tire also would be same. Okay, so whether all the tires, I don't think so. Apollo would be anything different than this. See, same. Okay, so it is also still at 60 resistance out here. Okay, and now everything is turned into somewhere short, and maybe more short will open up below 178, 178.7. Okay, see weekly is it's at first 60 support. Whether it takes not first 60, second. So see 60 support over here. It had a bullish harami. It started to move up. Okay, and now we'll have to see what it does here. So again at 60 support, let's see what it does. See again it is at 20 MA support, price support, everything here. If it bounces, we don't know. So let's see what things come up tomorrow. Okay, so I will hold myself tomorrow. I'm not going to trade anything. Okay, because it's going to be a roller coaster. And look at the charts. Everything is showing. Something has been broken. Something still awaiting. So let's wait. So auto sector does not uh, have much for us. Apart of Bajaj Auto, I don't see much stocks doing anything good. I think even Escorts will not be in the same shape. See, it is also at price support and maybe bullish divergence between this and this candle. Right? See, this is around 28. This is 35, and it looks like somewhere some movement on the upside can take it till 13.5 and maybe till this. Now this again does not give me any support. It's at the gap support right now, but still resistance 60. Right, so everything has been broken on the time frames now, but they are being supported at a higher levels. So let's see what it does the support works or does the breakdown works. Okay, so this is what we'll have to now check. So auto is done. Let's go to FMCG first. Hind Unilever. Okay, it came out with good numbers, but it was been broken by the market. Daily at 40 support, at price support. So need to see what it does here. Okay, again, weekly is been broken, and we see something down here, right? So it's still at support, but we need to see it's a bearish engulfing here as well. Okay, and even here. So I think follow top bottom on this, and you should be doing good. Old commercial vehicle scrapping policy expected if it comes may boost commercial vehicle sector. Yeah, so that may also help Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland. Okay, so that will also boost those sectors. So that will come. All priced in, you can say. Okay, but now we are waiting for those official announcements as well. Okay, so things are always, you can say, they are priced in, but yes. Okay, so liver does not look much. It has broken 60 year, and year also. So set price support and let's see what it does. So liver does not appeal much. Let's see Marico. Marico is also say already sideways on daily. Okay, and it is where it has been trapped. So it has got a good signs here at 60 support. So Marico is looking good. Okay, it's at see it is at good support. So breakout, support taken, and again on the same price. So there is a chance if it crosses the high, and again retest the new all-time high. Americo looks good, above 60 as well. Okay, so this is one industry which is looking good to us. This is looking good. Okay, so we saw Hindustan Unilever, we saw Marico. Okay, uh, let's see the Domino's, which is ब्रिटानिया भी पहले देख लेता हूँ. ब्रिटानिया 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 मारी गोल्ड. It's a shooting star at 60 resistance. Okay, so Britannia is not doing that good, nor on weekly, nor on monthly. Hmm. So it's actually range bound. Okay, if you look at Britannia from this viewpoint, see this is where it has been resisting continuously. Okay, so I think Amar sir, you talked about sell on rise, right? So sell on rise is see something like this. If it again comes around the level, you sell. Okay, this is an example of sell on rise. But for Maruti, I would wait because Maruti is not showing this signal. See, Maruti is not showing me this signal. It can come to there. So if you are selling somewhere in mid, okay, on a rise, you might be trapped. Okay, it is right now at this levels where it is a sell on rise. So you need to allow it to rise enough to short. Okay, so that's why I'm just saying. Now let's go to Nestle. See, Nestle is also looking very bad. 2 मिनट का मैगी खिला खिला के कितना चलेगा ये देखो ये भी नीचे की साइड में है. Okay, so this is where it is, and it had a very good uptrend which has been reversed now. Okay, and people who know trend lines and how to trade trend lines, see this was a doji at trend line resistance, a golden short trade, and see the short trade also. Okay, so trading on trend lines is also an art, and if you know that, you would have taken the short trade right at the short itself. From 18,400 it was a short, right now it is 17,000. So 1,400 points on the downside was available for you, right? Again, see this is breaking 40, sorry 60 and coming down. So nothing much on even Nestle. Aha. This is a perfect example of bearish divergence in an M setup. इसमें तो और भी है. ये यहाँ तक आ सकता है. Okay, so this is where it is. So Nestle is not at all looking good. Look at this. Bearish divergence set up on monthly affect M as well. So you can expect it to come till 15,600. Actually, still looking bad. Okay, so we do have good short trades available in FMCG as well. Okay, so we should be now looking forward for few sectors and few stocks on the things as short. Okay, so FMCG done. We saw few trades over there. We saw auto sector. Now let's go to finance. Let's see HDFC Bank क्या बोलता है. Okay, so bank shows some pullback at 40 support and also lower band. So let's see HDFC Bank. It is at gap resistance though. So I would not be interested to buy it above the doji high unless and until it crosses 1415. I'm not buying it. Okay, it's a good gap down, and this gap down will act as resistance. So avoid it. Again on it's at 60, you can say 59.9, and if since it is from upside 65 is 59 higher, this can be considered as 60 support, but this is no PRD. Okay, this is no PRD here, and monthly approaching 60. So I would avoid this. Okay, so right now let's see whether it see any bounce out here. Now let's see Axis Bank. So again, Axis Bank shows good strength, but see it is still resisting 60 on monthly and some hammer type, and it has crossed this. Okay, but not yet. So it has crossed the gap. Okay, and a hammer. So Axis still can go. Okay, so Axis Bank looks positive and has a room to go till 734. इसको निकालो यहाँ से. See a bullish engulfing here, but at 60 resistance. So now wait for it. See, and this is also at gap resistance. See, this the gap can do. A small gap, okay, is still avoiding it to cross. So gap resistance and see the power of that. Okay, so this is where the gaps are, and this can be a hindrance. So unless 780, 680 is crossed, avoid buying this. क्रॉस्ड ऑन क्लोजिंग बेसिस. हाँ, क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे गैप बंद होता है. ये ऐसे हवा में जाके आ जाएगा, उसको गैप बंद मत सोचो. क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे होना चाहिए. एक दिन रुको, चलेगा. ओके, so that is your Axis Bank is also, so it is looking good. ओके, या मैं तो सोचा तुमको पगार एक्सिस बैंक देता है निरंजन. आईसीआईसीआई में ज्वाइन हो गया क्या? नहीं ना, मैं तो तुम्हारा पगार के लिए देखता रहता हूँ एक्सिस बैंक. See, this is also looking good. Huh? ICICI. It might also have a resistance at 60 on daily, maybe around 560. This is also looking good. But look at this. This ये ही है. इसके ऊपर ये जाता नहीं है बेचारा. इसके ऊपर जाएगा तो ऑल टाइम हाई मार के आएगा ना, उधर ही क्लोज करेगा ना. सी दिस इज द रीजन. See this gap. This is a gap down. Huh? Gap down will act as resistance. And that is the reason why see closing basis weekly you will not see above 447. 447 के ऊपर क्लोज आया ना वीकली, तभी ये गैप बंद होता है. इसको लास्ट गैप नड़ रहा है और बहुत नड़ रहा है ये. See, and it's a doji at 60. So now if the high crossed, you invest in this and forget it. Otherwise, do not do anything. Has got call from ICICI. Okay, no worries. Yeah. But this looks good. Okay, buy above 565. Okay, if you are investing it, buy above 565, you can see good results. Okay, now let's go to Kotak because that is one bank which I love. Okay, and then we'll see SBI as well. Don't worry, Ketan. We'll see that also. So Kotak has come to CIPC. So if it bounces, we might see a bounce from CIP. Here also, अरे बाप रे, इसका एक मिनट रिट्रेसमेंट निकालने दो तो कितना है. Ah, exactly at 38%. Huh? CIP in 38%. So we might see this bank doing good. So let's see. Results are good. Okay. See, results से कुछ मैटर नहीं होने वाला है. अभी मार्केट सेंटिमेंट क्या है ना उस पर डिपेंड करेगा पूरा. अच्छा रिजल्ट मारुति को भी ठोक दिए इन लोग ने. हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर को भी ठोक दिया. सबको इन लोग ने पनिश किया है. ओके. और मारुति को तो ऐसा दिया है ना रिजल्ट के बाद 8400 का 7200 तक लेके आ गए ये लोग. ओके. सो दैट यू शुड नॉट कीप इन माइंड. इतना मार्केट देखने के बाद भी रिजल्ट रिजल्ट पे मत डाल. ओके. रिजल्ट तो कुछ भी आने दो. हम वही करेंगे जो हमें करना है. रिजल्ट अच्छा आने वाला है वही सोच के तो इतना बड़ा है मार्केट को. तो एवरीथिंग इज डिस्काउंटेड. ओके. सो नाउ अगेन सी दिस बैंक इज लुकिंग वीकर. ओके. बट सी वेयर इट इज एट गैप सपोर्ट. सी इधर का गैप सपोर्ट है ना. ये गैप पे ही वो सपोर्ट लेके खड़ा रहे. ये तोड़ेगा तो ये और भी नीचे आ सकता है. इट कैन कम डाउन टिल दिस लेवल. ओके. सो दिस इज लुकिंग लिटिल बैड. Ah, that is good. So you exited. I know on Friday you were looking for 17,300. You got more 50 points. So I think that is great enough. Okay, so now let's see this. Okay, now let's go to SBIN. Oh, so see SBIN has got a bullish engulfing. See this. And a doji resisting 20 MA. So again, Ketan, see it is at price resistance also. 292 is the level of price resistance for it. So we need it to cross this. If it does not cross this, it is going to still come down. Okay, but on a budget day, I would have not taken the risk of entering into SBI or any of the PSU bank because there is a volume been building in PSU bank since many days, and I am expecting some announcement related to PSU banks coming soon. It can be tomorrow. Okay, so be very careful and watchful. Okay, on PSU banks and the PSU sectors. Okay, because if government is looking forward for some income, okay, by selling of PSUs, it will be doing that. Huh? So be very careful and see again. It is at 60 support with a hammer. Okay, so if you are buying it, stay above 292. You still hold it. You can expand up to 320 or 318 onto this star on this counter. Okay, so this is still looking good to me. And there is a PRD here. Yes, 66 and 64. So PRD का भी इसके ऊपर में ही आएगा. और कितना आएगा? 267 or 283. So more 16 points above the all-time high, which is 311. So yes, around 330 you can expect on this. ओके. बट इट नीड्स कंफर्मेशन. ओके भाई, उतना ध्यान में रखो. और ये देखो रनिंग कैंडल 60 रजिस्ट किया है. ओके, 312 रजिस्ट किया गया है. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो सी अ प्राइस रेजिस्टेंस हियर and also might have touched 60. Okay, and it's a shooting star again. So be watchful. Okay, and there can be some surprises in this particular budget. If there are good surprises, we might see again the market moving up. Okay, because these sectors are very much tuned to what will be given tomorrow, mainly the economics, right? So this, now let's see the Bajaj Twins is at 40 support on daily, 60 around on this, and it has got a flag type of a setup. अभी ये फ्लैग बनाएगा या बैडमिंटन नेट, वो तो कल ही पता चलेगा. ओके. सो सी अगेन, अरे it is exactly around this support. Okay, it might come till here on intraday, and if it bounces from here, you can still see 5400 coming up. Okay, so again, this is one of the things, and this is okay, looking to me okay above 60, and maybe a CIP on its previous all-time high. Okay, so let's see what it does here. Okay, and even I think Bajaj Finserv will be in the same boat. Okay, they work together. See again here there is, see ये गैप का सपोर्ट देखो. ये गैप है, इधर गैप अप है. गैप अप सपोर्ट का काम करता है। तो ये देखो यहाँ पे ये जब तक ब्रेक नहीं करता है ना तब तक ये पॉजिटिव है। ये ब्रेक किया, forget it, then it can come down till this level also. Okay, so that is what it is, and it's a spinning top on monthly at 60 resistance. Okay, so if it breaks this high you go long, if it breaks the low you go short, simple. Okay, so I will also now wait. See, that's why I said कि पूरा मार्केट ऐसी जगह पे आके रुका है ना बजट पे, एंड ये टाइम बजट का कोई न्यूज़ बार लीक नहीं हुआ है कि गवर्नमेंट क्या देने वाली है। तो खाली गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स ने पोजीशंस ली है और किसी को लेने को नहीं दिया है। we'll have to wait now. Okay, it's a secret budget, secret Santa here. Okay, so we saw FMCG, we saw auto, we saw finance. Okay, let's see pharma. Okay, let's see Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy तो बेचारा काम से गया। ओके, ये कहाँ कब ब्रेकआउट का बात कर रहे थे, उससे पूरा एम बना के तोड़ दिया उसको। See, it has come down till here, so now we might see it having some support here. Okay, and even see it might come to support at the breakout of the cup, which is 4400. So we might still see some fall in this market, okay, till it comes down till this level, the cup breakout, okay, for another CIP. CIP, दिलीप सर वही बोला ना मैंने, चेंज इन पोलैरिटी, सपोर्ट टू रेजिस्टेंस, रेजिस्टेंस टू सपोर्ट, चेंजिंग द रोल। सी अगर अभी यहाँ पे ये सपोर्ट लेता है तो इट बिकम CIP, okay, because there is a breakout with this big candle, and then for the first time it will come to 4400. If 4400 now does not resist but it supports, then it's a CIP. Okay, so Dr. Reddy does not give any trades currently, but look at this, it's also at gap support. See, इधर इसने गैप नहीं भर दिया, गैप भी भर दिया, तो अभी बेचारा गया काम से। ये 4400 तक आ सकता है, जाने दो इसको। ओके, लुपिन नहीं, डीवीज देखना चाहिए। ओके, इसको निकालो बाहर। See, all the pharma stocks has gone below 40, but see, this is also at price support. If you are able to see this, so this is where it was resisting, breakout, and this is for the first time it is coming here. So if it bounces from here, it's a CIP. Okay, so this also looks good, but still no buy. I will wait because look at the RSI levels. Okay, if this was 60, I would have still gone. And see, this is at the support. See, gap support भी है इसको, see इसको gap support भी है। Okay, so this is at gap support. So this is a huge gap. Okay, so it's at gap support and CIP both. No worries, Gautam. And this gap has been closed. So monthly gap has been closed. Okay, and it is showing some fall. So see, everything has got a big black. So now wait for another shooting star or a bearish angle thing. Okay, so wait for it confirmation to go short also. Okay, पर ये सब 60 के ऊपर है ना, इसके लिए इतना मतलब नहीं है। Okay, let's see, Lupin. Lupin is again resisting 60. See, once resistance at 60, another resistance at 60. So Lupin looks good for a short. Okay, and see, this is again price resistance. So it's basically now ready for a cup and handle. Huh, by the way, can anybody see that? See, there is a cup here, there is a handle here. So Lupin, if it crosses 1128 or 1130, it's going to be a good buy with the first target of more than 300 points. Because this is a 850 to 1130, right, which is almost 300 to 380 points. So no, not 380, 280 points. Okay, so this can be the first target, 1300 and something, and then you get to the new all-time high. Because here it is where it might इधर तक आएगा ये 1395 तक आएगा. Okay, so Lupin looks okay to me. We'll have to wait for this levels to be broken out. Huh? Filal, it does not look good, but wait for it. See, it's also at lower band and price support and 40 support on daily. So Lupin is looking more better than DVs and Dr. Reddy. And let's see Sipra. My dear Sipra, what is it doing? यार ये तो अच्छा दिख रहा है. So it's still at that support of that 800 levels. Okay, above 800 it is still looking good. 60 support taken on weekly, still strong and still strong. Okay, so Cipla is more better than the other things. Let's see even one more last Sun Pharma which came out with the good results. Okay, and it's a doji at 60 resistance on monthly. So you buy about the doji high, short below the doji low. Okay, it's a doji on around 60. There is a doji. Okay, so let's see what it does here. And 40 support taken on daily. See 40 and 40 support taken. So again a spinning top on daily. So you buy about 600. That is what it is going to be. And you can expect 630 as your target. Okay, so pharma, auto, FMCG and finance done. And last is the IT sector. Let's see that now. So TCS is at also gap support. See it gap support. See this. It is at gap support and there is a gap resistance here. So it can be a sideways roll for this stock for some time. Okay, so we'll need to wait and watch. This is a bearish engulfing, so it's again at gap support, and this is a neutral candle yet. Okay, it's not bearish, it's still a band walk. So TCS is looking good. So IT might again start its rally because even IT sector we saw has retraced a lot. Okay, and now there is a fresh start in it. So let's see what it does. Let's see Infi. Oh, Infi has got a proper shooting star on monthly. So if the low breaks, okay, it might come down to this 1180 as the support. Let's see. Okay, so Infi looks little bit, but I see it is at support. It's dicier. Okay, so I would wait because Infi gives me permission to buy actually. Okay, it's a 40 support on daily, weekly, monthly about 60, which means it's a good buy. Okay, so we'll have to wait for what happens in this sector as well. See again, Digital India is going to get precedence, and if Digital India get precedence, Infosys, TCS are going to do good. Okay, so let's understand that. This is where again, see the stocks are also showing support. Okay, so banking is looking good, mostly private banking. IT is looking okay to me. So yes, there are few sectors which may look, good. 1,000 at 750. Should I wait or exit? Wait. So you said emphasis. Emphasis is not in, I think, in futures. Okay, but let's see. I don't think so. Emphasis is there in there. Emphasis is not part of this. So let me finish with few of the other stocks on this sector, and then I'll see for you emphasis. But let me just see. See again, this is looking okay. This is also at 60 support and price support coming up, and a shooting star again above 60. See, ये सब में shooting star है but above 60 है, so we'll have to wait for it confirmation, and there is a gap support, so maybe it might come down for some reasons. So let's see this also. Let me go to the emphasis part. Uh, See, I would hold this because unless it does not break 1465, I'm not going to think of anything else. Okay, so this is looking strong with 1465 support and still 60 above 60 on weekly, quite above 60. So, see, your breakout level on the downside is going to be 1465, or maybe if since you're bought at you know 750 levels, I would suggest you to hold it till it does not break 1400 on monthly. Okay, because this is the level of support. This is a breakout of a cup. Okay, so this cup, and let's see whether it is given you first target. One minute, I'll answer to those queries also, but I need. Okay. Yeah, you can think on that lines. Yes, that is okay. Okay, see, this has already given you a target. Okay, what you were expecting. So cup breakout and a cup target has been already been given. Okay, so now it is retracing for the second level, and if it bounces from, so I would suggest you to, keep 1400 as your stop loss, move out, and then re-enter if it bounces from this level 1300. Okay, so if it bounces from 1300, re-enter for this again as a target. Okay, so I said Snowman Logistic. Okay, so why Snowman Logistic? Look at it on the monthly chart. Okay, it's the first. I think HCL Tech has also got the same thing. Okay, again, see, this is first 60 support, and if it shows a sign of bounce, so again, you can buy it about this level 65, 66 level. You can buy this Roman Logistics, and you might expect this as your first target. Okay, and see, it's a cup breakout after a long time. It has crossed 60, and this is the first 60 support. Okay, so Snowman Logistics looks good with that respect. Okay, second I said take solutions. Okay, take solution is right now at 40. If it crosses 40, okay, so that's why I said buy above 66, 67. Okay, so that it monthly crosses above 40, and you might expect 114 as your first target. This as your first target. Okay, that's why take solutions and Snowman Logistics are being given as the trades. Okay, Jitendra, you send me your thing on Maharashtra scooters. Okay, I will then tell you. Okay, मेरे को blindly मत बताओ, आप लोग सब सीखे हुए लोग हो. Okay, you have done the all of this, right? Maharashtra scooters का मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं क्या है. See, it is resisting 60. I will not trade this. Okay, Maharashtra scooter resisting 60. See, so I will wait unless it crosses 4,000. Okay, and if you are holding it, hold with 3500 as stop loss because 20 MA का support पे है वो थोड़ा तो नीचे आ जाएगा. Okay, so mainly send me your this thing as well. AB fashion and all avoid it. Okay, so I will end here. We are already above the time. Okay, so thank you everyone, and let's meet next week again.